Hello guys, all YouTubers out there. So I'm gonna make my Dutch baby, and right here I have what I'm gonna use is 5 eggs, vanilla, salt, milk, flour, and sugar. That's all you need. So it's pretty easy. Just a tip, the eggs and milk should be at room temperature. So I had this in the refrigerator about 10 minutes ago. So what I did was I used hot water from the tap and put the eggs, and actually I had cartons of milk, about 8 ounce. So I just filled this up with water, put the eggs and the milk, and let it sit in hot water for 5 minutes. So now they're at room temperature. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all 5 eggs and then the milk, which is 1.5 cups. This is 1.5%, but you could use 2% whole or any type of, those are the best, I think. Then we're gonna add some vanilla. I'm gonna use a teaspoon of vanilla. Half a teaspoon of salt. And for this big pan, I'm using a 14-inch skillet. I put 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. There you go. Mix that in. Very easy. And this is 1.5 cups of flour. Then you just mix. This is gonna take about, you could use a hand mixer, but electric hand mixer, but I'll just use my brute strength. Now before I started this, I turned on the oven to 425, and I put my skillet in there so that it'd get nice and hot. And that probably took, I want to say, about 10 minutes. So now that this is all smooth, I've been heating up my skillet for about 10 minutes at 425. So I'm going to take it out, and it's extremely hot. Really, really hot. So I got a very large skillet, that's why I use 5 eggs. Whew. So I'm gonna grab 2 tablespoons of butter, and you need to really butter this well. So you see it sizzling because it's really, really hot, and it's gonna melt. Remember to do the sides because the Dutch baby is going to expand and gonna create this amazing, delicious, which is my favorite part, is the crust. So you need to really butter the sides really well. See how that melted right away? So the rest of it, you could just leave it there. The batter in. Grab all of that. So the butter may brown a little bit, but that's fine. And that will create a really delicious crust and taste to the Dutch baby. So as you see, it's getting brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in. Really, really hot, very hot. It has to be very hot. And then you leave it in for 20 minutes. And there you go. My timer's on, and we leave it alone for 20 minutes, and let's see what it looks up like. My alarm just went off for 20 minutes. I just want to show you what it looks like as it's puffing up. But I like the top a little bit more brown, so I'm going to leave it in for about another 2 minutes or so, 2 to 3 minutes. So we'll get back when it's done. Put it right there. Woo! So while it's hot, we're going to sprinkle it with some lemon. And just we're gonna sprinkle it with some powdered sugar. And then you could top it with any bit. You could eat it the way it is right now. It's delicious. But I like to top it with some fruit that I have in the fridge. Usually you could put blueberries, bananas, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. But I only have a few mango and some blueberries. So we're gonna go ahead and I had one strawberry left. So there you go, folks. A Dutch baby. Woo! Enjoy. Now, you look great. So here's my neighbor. I gave her my Dutch baby.
Am I supposed to eat this?
Yeah, enjoy it.
Oh my goodness.
So it's custard, but the ends are the best. That's more where the custard is.
No, but it's okay. It looks good.
It's very custardy.
I'm not. Very good.
Try it with the.
Very nice. Right. This really adds to it.
Yeah, it's delicious. Costco.
Taco.
But I made it. Yeah. Okay, I hope you guys can enjoy this delicious Dutch baby. Enjoy it with your family or by yourself, and enjoy eating. Yeah.